just like to show you my portable dual band setup. First, you'll notice this is a Apache 3800. It's your $30 Harbor Freight Pelican replica. So basically what we do is we open it here, and then we have what I've put together. What we'll see first of all is we've got a 2 meter and 70 centimeter radio. And then you'll notice on the back here I have 2 places for handheld Baofengs. This is a TYT radio, and you'll see the power supply in the back. You'll also see some switches and then a computer AC input. So at this point, what will happen is you pull these tabs out, and these tabs will enable this to sit flush in here. And the rest of the radio is inside here. So we'll pull out the power cord, 2 Baofeng handhelds, and transmitter. So this will go right back in here. And then it'll sit flush just like this. These charge all the time where they sit at home. They'll stay here and they'll stay charged with the AC plugged in here. And so it can be plugged in here to the power supply, or it can be plugged into any DC output with Anderson connectors. What we'll notice here is this comes off as well. It's connected with Anderson connectors here, and it sets in flush right here. So this can sit by itself. It can sit by itself anywhere. What you'll find in here is a TYT. It's a 25 watt VHF and 20 watt UHF transmitter. These things work really good. And also a 5 amp hour lithium battery here. Also, we can connect up any other radio we want here as well, and also check our voltage from that. So let's put this back here. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug it in to the power supply right here. But a couple switches and you'll turn on the AC here. And then also there's some options here. We can turn this light on. That gives us quite a bit of light at night. Little LEDs across here. Also, we can turn this on. These are 2 USB along with the voltage, at this point 13.9 from the AC. Now what we can also do is we can run off our lithium battery by simply pushing this switch off and putting it here, and now we're on the lithium battery that's in here, and we're at, it's charged up at 13.7. This is the antenna that I keep in the unit in case I need to set up someplace, remotely at someone's house or something. And that'll go in right here.
Tuesday, sunny. Highs 73 to 79. Tuesday night through Wednesday night, clear.
Well, it looks like we're going to be sunny and clear, which is always good. And have this stand alone by itself with the lithium battery. This is all locked down, locked together, my Andersons. And this will sit down on these feet. So if you want, it can sit right here on feet and not even use the container at all. Down the antenna, Again, a few other antennas in here. Anderson connectors for DC off my truck. Put the antenna here. Radios that I normally put into the socks to keep them nicer. So then those slide back in so it can be flush, and then it slides right in there. This closes up, and there you have it. So this is where it normally sits. So we just open it back up. So this is a Silverado, and I've welded up and bent some tubing here. You'll notice we've got a hot water system here we can shower with. A little on the dirty side, but here's water. Basically the power here. We're at 13.8 amps because what we've got is we've got solar panels up here. We've got two 200-watt solar panels. Down here we've got some tools as well as a air compressor for putting up tires and so on. What I've got here is a NMO mount running an antenna that can easily go under things, but also have a larger dual band as a way to set it down to get into garages and so on. This is a J-pole antenna I made, and basically goes together like this. Got the line here, but that's connected right here, and so you can see how that just goes right up to here. At this point, you've got the ability to really reach out no matter where you're at. Then you can also, if you want to run a couple radios, again, could utilize this setup as well, and it is connected right here with some more Anderson fittings. There's a little light here, and then you could run this one also off the J-pole as well if you wanted. Inside we have another TYT 25-watt system right here, along with an antenna switcher. Here's also a Slim Jim that I made just right to the frequency that I want. And of course there's always a little shower if somebody needs one. This table here, as you can see, has a leg on it, and it connects right here and then extends out here as well.